Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another very exciting unboxing. And today's unboxing will be the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. And I got the gold version and I got the 256GB one just because I like to have a big storage. So yeah, I am so very excited of this new iPhone because this is my current phone. I still got a iPhone 7 Plus and it's a real old one. This dates back to March 2017. That's the date I got this one. So I think I deserved a new one. That's why I also waited for the iPhone 12 Pro Max and I ordered it on the pre-order date, and that was the 6th of November. So yeah, I'm now going to unbox this little box right here. The first thing that I noticed is that it's very light and that the box is way thinner than the previous models. So it's a very thin box and it's a very light box. Of course, it doesn't come with an adapter, it doesn't come with earphones. So yeah, that's kind of, yeah, I'm not sure what to think about that. But I think that you pay a lot for the phone and then it doesn't come with like an adapter and earphones. It's just a bit strange for me. I don't know why. I just think that I'm not sure if Apple did this on purpose and why exactly they did this, but I'm not fond of the new decision. So yeah, but let's get started on the unboxing. And yeah, first things first, I'm going to slide off this label right here. It has to focus on the box and not on my head. Thank you very much. And the paper is gone. I'll just throw it away there. Okay, so this is the box right here. So I'm now going to open this little box right here. Oh, my table is a little bit wobbly. And I just can't. I will hold it very tight. But this is the back of the new iPhone 12 Pro Max Gold. And in the previous models I never liked the gold model, but when I saw it on the Apple site, I still didn't like it. And then I saw all other kinds of videos, all other kinds of unboxing videos. Everyone had this gold model. And I was just amazed by how beautiful the new gold model was, because the previous models, again, I didn't like the gold model, but this color just is so beautiful. The back isn't gold at all, only just the sides are very gold. I will show you in a sec, of course. But yeah, the back is so pretty. It's like a white gold color and I just really like it. I never would have went for the gold model except for the 12 Pro Max. I just had to do it. But yeah, I'm taking it out right here. And I'm taking this little thing off there. Wow. That's so pretty. Oh, you see the camera right there. But that is just so pretty. I really like the size of this phone. I really like huge phones. I always say that I like an iPad for a phone. But yeah, it's larger than the iPhone 7 Plus, as you can see right here. This is my old phone, this is my new phone. I'm not sure if you can see it when I put it on the table. But yeah, it's slightly larger, and of course it has a larger screen because this doesn't have the new screen yet, and this obviously does. I'm not sure if there's still like a sticker on the back. I don't think so. Okay, I will put this right here for a second. And I will just show you what's inside the box. Yeah, just only a charging cable. Whoa. And this little booklet that just fell out. And of course this is just your booklet with the pin for your SIM. This little pin right here. That's the booklet. And of course the famous Apple sticker. That's in there. And yeah, as I said, only the charging cable, no adapter, no earphones. That's just it. It's empty right now. A little bit disappointed, but yeah, I already knew what was going to happen, so it's fine. If you didn't know, I think that would be very disappointing, but yeah. I'm going to turn my phone on right now. Oh, I'm so excited about this new phone. So pretty. Okay, I will now take you with me in my phone, so I will move the camera into another position so you can look with me and figure out the setup of this new phone right here. Okay, this is my new screen right here. And I always have my phone in English, even though I am Dutch. And my region is, of course, the Netherlands. I'm not sure if I can find it. Ah, there you have it. Okay, here you have the quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this phone to sign in and set up. Okay. This is my current phone. Whoa, that's so cool. I didn't know that was even possible. Whoa. Okay, now the Face ID. Okay, now I have to create a password. Of course, I'm going not to show you this. Okay, now we've come to the terms and conditions, which I agreed to. Setting it up. I really have to get used to the black screen though, because I always had a white screen, which I think is more sleek. Now it's all black, so I really have to get used to that. This is my bank information. Next. Agree. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. It is now transferring all the data from my old phone to my new one. Exciting. Oof, this is gonna take a while. I will get back to you once it is done. Okay, the transfer is completed. Woo! I'm not sure if you can see it. Yep, transfer is complete. So my phone can be used. Woo! It's so weird to see like the settings I had on my previous iPhone on this new phone. I'm going to figure it out now, and I'm going to personalize my phone into my likings, because I don't like all these settings I have from my previous phone. So yeah. Okay, so that was the unboxing of my new iPhone 12 Pro Max in the gold version. I still can't get over this color. It is so beautiful. But right now I'm going to the AAAAH store, because we don't have an Apple store here in the city, but we have an AAAAH store, so I'm going to buy a screen protector for this phone and also a case, and I really want the silicone green case from Apple itself, so I'm going to get those today, just because I don't trust myself with it, and I'm very scared that it falls out of my hand or something like that, because I still have to get used to the size, to the shape, because of course this model has a different shape, and yeah, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. Yeah, once again, I'm so excited about this new phone. I'm really excited to explore like the camera and stuff, because I think when you order this and you're watching this because you're just excited about your new phone, you already watched other videos about like the quality of this phone, and the quality of this phone is so good, and I'm so excited to explore it. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you liked it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And also, for those of you who are not subscribing to my channel yet, please make sure to subscribe, and when you do, also make sure to hit the notifications box so that you will get an update on when I post a new video. And I will also post a new video about how I personalized my new iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you're interested in that, turn your notifications on so you will get notified when that video is up. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye!